Can you answer these questions? Example 1. Evaluate the following. In example A, follow the order of operations. Completing one operation at a time, we complete the operations inside of brackets first. -4 minus 7, this equals -11. For our next line, we bring down any operations we haven't completed yet. Now we have 3 times -11, which equals -33. In example B, since there are no brackets with operations, we look for powers. Since there are no powers, the next order is division and multiplication. We consider both together, just completing each operation from left to right as normal. So first completing 5 times -10, this equals -50. And for our next line, we bring down any operations we haven't completed yet. Now we have -50 divided by 2. This equals -25. In example C, I know this looks complicated, but let's go through the order of operations and see what operation we need to complete first. Please note that there are no operations inside of brackets. These brackets are used to describe negative numbers. So we move on to the next order of operations, indices or powers. Next, continue division and multiplication. Here is our first operation. -7 times 4. This equals -28. We carefully rewrite the operations we haven't answered yet in the next line. Now we realize we have addition and subtraction, so we complete from left to right as normal. 8 plus -28. Remember, when you add a negative, this acts as a subtraction question. So this equals -20. Finally, we need to complete -20 minus -2. Remember, when you subtract a negative number, this acts as an addition question, giving us a final answer of -18. In this video, we are going over the skills of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of integers. If you need to refresh your knowledge on these skills, I'll leave a link to my integer playlist in the description. Example 2. Copy and fill in the blank. If we look at our expression, we have brackets and multiplication. So we complete the brackets first, but our unknown is there. So we need to consider the next part of the question, then work our way backwards. After we figure out the value in the brackets, we need to multiply by 4, and this equals 44. Let's figure out what number times 4 equals 44. Well, this is 11, since 11 times 4 equals 44. This means we need the final value of the brackets to equal 11. Now considering inside the brackets, 8 minus what number equals 11? We need to go up the number line. Therefore, if we minus a negative number, this acts as an addition question. And 8 minus -3 equals 11. You now know how to answer exam questions. But have you ever wondered why you learned the topic integers? Watch this next video to find out where you need these skills in maths and where it could be used in the real world.